John Hurdle reports in Inside Climate News. Some 60,000 residential water customers in New Jersey will share $4.9 million in the settlement of a lawsuit that charged a water company and a chemical maker with violating a state health limit on the presence of PFOA, a toxic forever chemical, in drinking water. Middlesex Water Company and 3M agreed to settle the class action almost 4 years after it was filed in New Jersey State Court, citing the length of the litigation and the prospect of further costs to both sides should it go to trial. The settlement, announced on October 3rd, is not a personal injury case but is designed to compensate individual claimants for the cost of buying bottled water, installing filtration, or seeing doctors after Middlesex Water Company told some of its customers in October 2021 that their drinking water exceeded the state's maximum contaminant limit for the chemical. Stephen Denides, lead attorney for the class, said the settlement was the largest of its kind in New Jersey and may be the only case nationwide to win compensation for individuals who incurred out-of-pocket expenses in seeking to avoid drinking water contaminated with a PFAS chemical. This settlement represents a great recovery for Middlesex water customers who otherwise would have been forced to bear the expense of paying for consultations with doctors, bottled water, water filters, or similar costs incurred as a result of water quality violations, Denides said in a statement. Mark Q. Kerr, a Pennsylvania attorney who has represented classes of plaintiffs against PFAS manufacturers, said he was unaware of any other class action suit over PFAS against a water company, and predicted that it could become a template for other communities whose water has been contaminated with the chemicals. It's very interesting because there have been many public water supplies that have been contaminated with PFAS, said Q. Kerr, who is not connected to the Middlesex class action. Class members will be awarded up to $2,500 each, but some will get much less, depending on their own expenditures to avoid drinking, cooking with, or bathing in the contaminated